Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to check your credit score in BMO. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website. Then sign in with your card number or username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the page. Click on the profile icon. Under the profile section, you will see an option for My Credit Score. Click on My Credit Score. Before you proceed, make sure to read the information shown in this page. After that, click on Continue. Next, read and review the TransUnion Interactive Terms and Conditions. After reviewing, click on the button that says I accept and continue. And now you will be able to view your credit score. That's how you check your credit score in BMO. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.